Can you tell me something? Did you have any dreams last night?
Yeah. I dreamed about going to the moon.
Really?
Yeah. Maybe jumping. Maybe I take a super big jump up into the sky and blast off to home.
Did you collect any rocks or anything?
I did. I did collect rocks. I'm taking a super big one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump! Up for the blanket. Up for the blanket.
Do you think that you'll ever go to the moon?
I will.